Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of educational toys with the Learning Resources Primary Bucket Balance Teaching Scale. This isn't just any ordinary bucket balance scale. It's the best one available, and we're about to show you why. Let's start with the basics. The Learning Resources Primary Bucket Balance Teaching Scale is designed to make learning fun and engaging for kids aged 3 and up. It's not just a toy. It's a tool for building essential math and science skills from an early age. Now, what sets this bucket balance apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it's made by Learning Resources, a trusted name in educational toys since 1984. With over 2,000 ratings and an average of 4.6 stars, it's clear that this product delivers on its promise. So, what features make this bucket balance stand out? First off, it's incredibly sturdy and durable, made from high-quality plastic that can withstand the rigors of everyday play. The clear buckets with removable lids allow kids to explore volume and compare solids and liquids with ease. But it's not just about durability. This bucket balance offers plenty of educational benefits too. Kids can build observation and estimation skills while gaining a deeper understanding of mass measurement. Plus, it's perfect for preschoolers and beyond, making it a valuable tool for early STEM education. Now, let's talk about practicality. The set includes a bucket balance with a convenient storage drawer, 2 removable easy pour buckets, and 2 lids. Everything you need for hands-on learning is right at your fingertips. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for the best bucket balance scale on the market, look no further than the Learning Resources Primary Bucket Balance Teaching Scale. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, or just someone who loves to learn, this product is sure to make a valuable addition to your educational toolkit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.